Are you ready to launch your own AI-powered business without spending a single dollar? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a profitable AI business from scratch, step by step, even if you have zero budget and zero technical skills. Let's get into it. Step 1. Identify a real-world problem. Most people make the mistake of building solutions nobody asked for. Instead, go to Reddit, Quora, or Facebook groups and look for pain points that people talk about. What are small businesses struggling with? What do freelancers complain about? What's wasting people's time or costing them money? Write down 3 to 5 problems that you find interesting or relevant. Step 2. Validate with AI. Now open ChatGPT and ask, how can I solve this and this problem using AI tools? You'll instantly get a list of AI-powered solutions, some using automation, others content generation, or data analysis. Ask follow-up questions like, what's the simplest way to implement this as a service? Which AI tools can do this with zero coding? How can I package this into a digital product? Step 3. Choose a lean business model. There are 3 simple business models that work well with AI and require $0 upfront. 1. Freelance services. Offer AI-powered content, image generation, or research. 2. Digital products. Create templates, guides, or micro-courses with the help of AI. 3. Automation consulting. Help small businesses save time by using tools like Zapier or Make. Pick one that feels exciting to you. Step 4. Build your first offer. Use AI to build the service or product. Need a logo? Use Luca. Need landing page copy? ChatGPT. Need a sales video? Use AI, voiceover, and Canva. No camera needed, no website needed at the start. Just a strong offer. Use ChatGPT to generate a full offer pitch. Write me a sales page for this solution targeting this niche. Step 5. Find your first client. Go where your audience hangs out. Upwork, LinkedIn, Reddit, niche Discord servers, or X. Share value, answer questions, and soft sell your offer. Don't be afraid to DM people. The first sale is all about connection and clarity. Bonus step. Scale it up. Once you've proven the offer works, productize it. Turn the service into a downloadable product. Create a course. Automate delivery with AI. And yes, you can reinvest your first $50 into better tools, ads, or a custom domain. That's how you start a profitable AI business with $0. If this helped you, consider liking and subscribing. And if you want more step-by-step videos, drop a comment below.